Yo, what's good everybody? It's Kevin Pack here. Welcome to a new video today. Let me tell you guys right now, I am officially broke. And what I mean by that is because I dropped about $50,000 on inventory to get ready for Amazon's Q4 period. So I ordered a lot of inventory up front so that I can last through this holiday season where everything is in such high demand right now. So we're going to be talking about this and basically the breakdown of how much I've spent on inventory, and we're going to go over how many units I bought and how I feel about doing all of this as well, because this is definitely by far the most money I've ever spent in a single order. Now before we begin, of course I'm going to show you guys my sales so you guys know I'm a current Amazon seller, and while you're here, go ahead and like the video because that helps me out, and then also subscribe for more content if you want to follow my journey and also learn more about, you know, Amazon, entrepreneurship, finances, all that good stuff. Okay, so it's about noon, 12 p.m. right now, and those are my sales for the day so far. 24 units sold, about $500, so it's a pretty damn good day today. All right, so let's go over what I spent my money on basically. How did this $50,000 go? What's the breakdown of it? And I'm gonna give you guys kind of the breakdown of it. So I'm gonna look through my bank account statements and then we're gonna go through it. So on the cost of the goods alone, I spent about a total of $44,671. I paid about like 30% or almost half up front and then the other half later. And then I still have to pay for shipping as well. So the shipping of it, I still owe another like $10,000, but I don't pay for that until it actually reaches customs in the US. So that's gonna take like another 30 days. So I'm gonna be paying that extra $10,000 later. So I know that it's about roughly about $10,000. So we can just add another $10,000 to that, and we're looking at a total of $54,671. And I've ordered a total of about 12,000 units, a little bit over 12,000 units or so. So if we divide that total by the 12,000 units, it comes out to about $4.50 per unit that I've spent on this. And my product sells for about the $30 range when it's in the holiday season because it's a pretty giftable item. So pretty good profit margins off the bat. But $50,000 is definitely no joke. That's a lot of money. And so I'm basically gonna be very much well prepared. I know last year in Q4, I literally ordered just enough. Like I ordered the perfect amount and I sold out right at the end of December. But this time around, I want a little bit more cushion room. So I ordered a little bit more extra so I can trickle in inventory in the later like January period, you know, ending December, January beginning. So I could have some, you know, space and I'm not sold out. I don't want to be sold out at all. And so I want to be able to maintain my inventory as much as I can. Now, the tricky thing is that this year with Amazon's limitations on inventory and quantities per ASIN, it's not going to be as smooth as last year. Last year, all I had to do was send my inventory into Amazon and then I just manage the PPC and then that's it. There was nothing else I have to do. This time around, I actually have to keep an eye on my inventory more often because Amazon's limiting stock on a per ASIN level. So because of that, I can't just send all of my inventory to Amazon. I actually have to send it to a 3PL warehouse, a third-party logistics center, where they're gonna hold my inventory and then trickle in the inventory into Amazon as I need it. So I'm only allowed to send a certain amount. And right now, I think it's like 2,000 units or something like that. So right now I need to be able to send the 2,000 in and then have the rest of my other inventory to be moved in. Every time I sell out of that 2,000, I gotta send another 2,000 in quickly. And so it's a lot better that I have a 3PL warehouse because now they can get the inventory quick in just like a week. Versus if I held it at my supplier still in China, I would have to wait about 30 days or 4 weeks before it goes into Amazon, and then that would just screw everything up. So now I have a location to send the inventory faster so I can actually keep up with the demand and stay in stock in Amazon. So that's really the key about this year. This year, let me tell you, it's gonna be fucking crazy, man. It's definitely not gonna be as smooth as it was last year, and I have to keep an eye on everything now. And I have to really time things right. I have to get these these inventory moved into Amazon at like a good time so that I don't run out of inventory. The key to this year is staying in stock, because I think a lot of people are gonna have problems staying in stock because of these storage limits or these quantity limits. So it's gonna be a crazy time this year, but that's my game plan. Right now, my game plan is I have a 3PL warehouse where I can store my inventory and they can ship the goods to Amazon. So my freight forwarder is taking my inventory from my supplier, sending it to the 3PL warehouse, and then I am gonna let them know, hey, send 2,000 in, send another 2,000 in. We're gonna do this on a weekly or bi-weekly basis or something like that. And this is how we're gonna keep in stock on Amazon. And on top of that, I'm actually gonna also have like 1,000 units set for just FBM. So in case something happens with my inventory where they like, let's just say like there's a lag time where like my inventory is gone, but they're still trying to process my current inventory that's sending in. And then there's like a week delay of basically no inventory that's available. This is where FBM comes in, so I can have my 3PL warehouse fulfill these inventory for me. Even though it's not gonna be prime, it's still sales I can use and keep up, and it's still something better than nothing, right? So I'm trying to counter all possibilities and aspects and be prepared, because anything could happen. A lot is on the line right now. A lot is on the line. I got $50,000 on the line. I need to be able to make this all profitable. So it's really game time. Like, I'm shifting everything on as soon as Q4 hits. We're just going. As soon as this inventory gets to the 3PL warehouse, we're flowing, man. We're flowing. So it's a crazy time, but this is the real life update of my business right now. And it's not gonna be as laid back as it was before. This time, we're taking things serious, man. We're taking it up to the next level. So if everything goes smoothly and according to plan, like I'm laying it out, I should be able to hit my goal of $500,000 in 2020, this year alone. Year to date, in 12 months, freaking $500,000. And that's gonna be very, very exciting. And I believe it, and I think I can do it, and I think I can handle it. So if we break anything past 500,000 by the end of this year, I'm gonna be freaking ecstatic about that. That'd be great. But that is my main goal right now. All right. And then we'll hit that million later, but we're going for 500 right now. All right. So that's basically a recap of my business right now, what's going on. And I feel very, very excited about dropping this 50K, but I'm also very, very nervous, very, very nervous, because again, anything could happen. A lot could go wrong, but then also a lot can go right. So it's all about getting ready, getting prepared for this, and getting my mindset ready to handle any type of bullshit that goes along this way. So wish me luck, guys. I hope you guys do really well in your Q4 if you're currently a seller as well. And you know, you guys are free to ask me questions, post your comments down below. Of course, I love reading your guys' comments. I love your support and everything. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel and watching my videos and everything. 4K subscribers is crazy. I hope I can get to 10K soon. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one. As always, go get that money. I'm gonna go get that money. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.